there are many different ways to make coffee today, and I'd like to share with you a technique that you might not have heard of yet. The CoffeeSock. The CoffeeSock is the perfect cold brew filter. It is a low-cost option which produces high-quality coffee. You can't really beat that. So check out how it looks, a little bit like a normal filter, but much longer, and has this little ring attached to it. The coffee filter is unique in many different ways. It is made of certified organic cotton. It's going to cost you about 25% less than it would cost you to use standard filters. It is a reusable alternative to paper filters and to nylon socks. It is very durable. Each one of these filters was made by hand in Austin, Texas, and it's going to last you about a year. And this is going to replace roughly 500 paper filters. It also uses a very simple brewing technique. And once you're done, all you have to do is rinse out and hang it to dry. So how the CoffeeSock works is the cotton absorbs some of the oils released from the coffee beans because cotton is a tasteless and odorless compound that does not dissolve in water, yet it lets the acids pass right through. So this is going to result in a clear, crisp, rich, robust cup of coffee. You get all of the acid of paper brewed coffee without any of that gross paper taste, and you get all the richness of a French press brewed cup of coffee without the heaviness of that extra added oil. Now let's make some coffee. So I have the 64-ounce coffee filter here. You're gonna need a 64-ounce mason jar, which is what I've got here. You're gonna wanna go ahead and insert the coffee filter and turn it out around the lip just to hold it in place. Then you're gonna wanna take 6 ounces weight-wise, or 2 cups worth of coarsely ground coffee. Now, you're going to want to make sure that it is coarsely ground, because if it is super fine ground, then you might accidentally have some of the coffee particles leak out into your jar. So you're going to want to make sure it's coarse. I've already gone ahead and measured this out. Then you're just going to pour it into your filter. Try not to make as much of a mess with it. And I'm just going to go ahead and shake it down to make sure I get it all in the bottom here. So I've just kind of made sure that I've got my coffee grounds low to the bottom, and I've got my water here, and you're just going to pour it over the coffee grounds till they're thoroughly wet and that you've mostly filled up your jar. Okay, so then you're going to take your filter and you're just going to twist it. I'm actually going to fold it over just for a good measure. Then I'm going to wrap the string around and push the tail end of that through. It's okay if it's a little difficult. That just means it's going to be nice and secure. Now, you're going to go ahead and just drop it in, and you're going to take your water and continue to fill it up till you've completely filled up your jar. Then you're going to want to screw on the lid and go ahead and place it in your refrigerator. And in 12 to 16 hours, your coffee is going to be done. Okay, so it has been about 14 hours of my coffee brewing, and now our next step is going to be to take out the filter. Just going to let it drain a little bit, and that's it. We have our cold brew. So the filter is super easy to clean. all you're gonna do is dump out the coffee grounds, and then you're gonna wanna rinse the filter and then just hang to dry. So if your filter gets contaminated or it's starting to clog when the coffee is put in and the grinds aren't exactly filtering properly, all you have to do is boil it in a pot for about 10 minutes, and then you can do it again if it's still a little dirty, and then it's like new. So 10 minutes of boiling in hot water and you've got a sanitized filter, which is pretty cool. And it's super simple. And then again, you just hang it to dry. So I'm gonna try our coffee here. Now, I'll be honest, I like my coffee with a little bit of milk, but I wanna check out the flavor of the coffee. It smells delicious. Ooh, that is a nice, rich, smooth taste to it. I don't even need my milk. So, pretty cool. Again, CoffeeSock, nice cold brew option, really cheap, but gives you quality coffee flavor. So definitely check it out.